Hi everyone, this is Pavni Raj from SPC Department of CACDS. Today in this section, we are going to discuss about the scope of a different field in civil engineering and the impact of a civil engineering in our day-to-day life. First, we look over the what is civil engineering. Civil engineering is the oldest, broadest, and the simple of the various engineering fields. It mainly related to the planning, design, construction, and the maintenance of buildings, roads, bridges, dams, tunnels, and other structures by the use of physical laws and the mathematical equations and the theory of mechanics. Surveying is one of the most or the basic important part in a civil engineering while building any structures. It is the science or an art of map making. It mainly deals with various types of measurements and the plotting of maps or plans. Common instruments used for the surveying are the chain, tape, compass, auto level, theodolite, total station, GPS, drones. Surveying is broadly classified into two types, where the plane surveying and the geodetic surveying. In plane surveying, where the radius of the earth curvature is not considered and the degree of accuracy is relatively low. In geodetic surveying, in this type of surveying, where the radius of the curvature of the earth is considered and the degree of accuracy is relatively high as compared to the plane surveying. Building materials. The materials used for the construction of any structures are called as building materials. The important factors considered while selecting the materials are the durability, strength, appearance, cost, and the availability. Building materials are mainly divided into two types. One is the natural and another is artificial. Natural materials are like sand, stone, timber, etc. Artificials are nothing but the man-made products. So example like bricks, cement, concrete, steel, glass, flooring, and the roaring tiles, etc. And next part is geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineering mainly deals with a study of soil, its types of soil, and their properties. Geotechnical engineers analyze the soil to determine its suitability to support for extreme loads. Uses of geotechnical engineering is to decide the type of foundation for different types of structures, to assess the quality and the strength of soil or a rock, to construct civil engineering structures, and to design the retaining walls for soil retainments, to design of an underground structures and the earthen dams of for storage of water. And the next part is the structural engineering. It mainly deals with an analysis and the design of various structures like steel structures and the concrete structures. So what are the uses of structural engineering are the analyze and the design of dams, bridges, stadiums, auditoriums, multi-stored buildings, analyze and the design of power generation stations, analyze and the design of steel industrial structures, design of nuclear power plants. And the next part is on a construction planning and the project management. Here, construction planning and the project management deals with different types of construction of structures like buildings, roads, bridges, etc. Planning for the construction equipment and machinery for the construction project. Deals with the planning, scheduling, and the execution of any construction activity related to a project. It comprises of men and the material and time and money management. Fluid mechanics, hydraulics, and the water resources. Here, fluid mechanics and hydraulics deals with the study of mechanics of water and its flow characteristics like pipe flows, open channel flows, dams, irrigation, hydropower, etc. Identifying, planning, building water retaining structures like dams, tanks, and the carrying stored water is needed, and these areas is known as water resource engineering. What are the uses of water resource engineering are the and to record the total discharge of water from a rainfall to catchment areas, to design the reservoir capacity to store the water, design of pumps and turbines. Next part is the transportation engineering. Here, transportation engineering plays a very important role in the economic development of a country. It mainly deals with the study of an existing transportation system and their improvement for a safe drive. It involves a planning, design, construction, operation, and the maintenance of a transportation facility. It contributes economic, industrial, social, and the cultural development of any country. Design for traffic signals for a control of traffic. So these are the important fields that we deals with in a civil engineering. So let us end the section with a small conclusion on a civil engineering. So civil engineering have a responsibilities for the planning, designing, construction, operation and the maintenance of any physical infrastructures. So these infrastructures are expected to be remain functional, durable and safe for a long service lives, typically like 52 or more than 100 years. So engineering practices are needed to acceptably for a low risks of failures in a functionality, durability and the safety over the service lives of infrastructure systems and the facilities. So thank you.